Hey, are you tired of dense urban centers dictating how you live your life in rural America? We're going to discuss that exact topic. We've had lots of questions about Greater Idaho. What is it? What does it mean? Is it even possible? But you've got large populations that live in rural areas in there that are very conservative, and they don't feel like their vote counts. They don't feel like they can live their lives the way that they want to.
And here's what's funny, and I'll throw this out there, is that if everything goes bad, if all the urban centers just disappeared today, we would still survive out in these rural areas.
And as we can all see, that urban living is not doing very well.
No.
Unless you love being surrounded by thousands of crazy screaming homeless people crapping on the streets, like maybe you do. It's interesting to see that many counties have actually put this up to a vote and decided, hey, we want to explore this a little bit. That's how pissed off and disenfranchised these folks are with the way that things are going with politics in their state.
You know, whenever you see border changes, I mean, even in what's happening in Russia and in Ukraine right now, it's typically a wartime thing that happens. So whenever I hear about borders changing, even with states, you think, you know what, this could be a conflict.
Oh, yeah.
It could be something that I mean, I couldn't imagine one state in the way that the U.S. is designed for one state to be able to take something else.
Right.
But to make this happen, I don't know if it's possible.